So hello all, in this video let's study about data interpretation. So data interpretation simply means uh, to interpret data to find out mean, mode, median. So in the very first exercise we have mean, mode and median itself. So let's discuss about mean. So there are different formulas to calculate mean. Mean means average. So mean formula is sum of all observation upon number of observation, right? Sum of all observation upon number of observation. This can also be written as x bar is mean sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, right? So based on different form of data we can calculate mean. This is called direct method. In 10th standard you have studied. Another method is assume mean method, right? So in assume mean method we assume a value. So mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, right? So assume mean method, or shortcut method also it is called, right? Next, another method is step deviation method. So x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi multiplied by h. So this is step deviation method. Step deviation method. Similarly, there are different formulas to calculate median also. So median if n is odd. So median formula is median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term, right? Similarly, if n is even, number of terms, n means number of terms, so median will be equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th upon 2, average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term, right? So there is another formula for median also. इसको कैलकुलेट करने का एक और मेथड है, एक और फॉर्मूला है. सो दैट मीडियन, दिस ऑल्सो वी हैव स्टडीड इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड. मीडियन इज इक्वल टू L प्लस n अपॉन 2 माइनस CF अपॉन F मल्टीप्लाई बाय H, right? So this formula also we have done in class 10th, where L is lower limit of median class, n is number of terms, CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. So CF, cumulative frequency of preceding class, right? And F is frequency of median class. H is class size, lower limit minus upper limit minus lower limit. So these formulas we will be using in this exercise. Next comes mod. So let's discuss that also. So mod is the maximum frequency, right, or maximum occurring digit. So mod, we have one more formula. So mod is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by h. So this is also a formula where f1 is frequency of the model class, f0 is preceding frequency, f2 is succeeding frequency, right? Another we also know, we have also studied mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, right? So this also we can use in the exercise. Mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, right? So now let's begin with the exercise. Find exercise 15a. Find the mean of the following data. So mean is simple, sum of all observation upon number of observations, so you can easily do. Find the mean of this data, right? So in this you have to make table, right? So in question number second, just make a table. So I'll show how to do, but you will do it yourself because this is very easy exercise. So just write xi here, fi here, and find out xi fi, right? Multiple of both, right? And at last find total fi xi fi. Now x bar mean is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Just find it out. This is the data which you have to use, right? So the sum will be 700, right, minus 700 and 100. So when we apply the formula for x bar, so a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, 42.5 plus minus 700 upon 100. So when you will solve it, this will be 35.5. So that is our answer, right? Next, question number 4. So in question number 4, you have to determine the mean using step deviation method, right? So using step deviation method, you have to determine the mean. So I'll write Ci and frequency. So these are the columns I have prepared: Ci, frequency, Xi, Di. In step deviation, we have Ui also, then Fi Ui. So Xi is 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5, then 15, then 25, then 35, then 45, then 55, and then 65, right? Di means Xi minus A. So take any value from the center. So let this be A. So 35, let's A is equal to 35. So 5 minus 35 is minus 30, then minus 20, then minus 10, then 0, then 10, then 20, then 30, right? Ui is Di upon H. So H is 10 here, right? So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Next, FIUI. So FIUI is multiply. So 9 multiply minus 3 is minus 27, then minus 34, then minus 32, then 0, then 40, then 36, then 3, right? So this is 76 and 3, 79. Okay, 36 minus 32 is 4, right? And 4 minus 34 is minus 30, right? So minus 30 plus 40 is 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 minus 27, minus 27 plus 13 is minus 14, right? Minus 14. And the sum of this will be 140, right? So formula for mean: x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi multiplied by H. So which is equal to A is 35 plus sigma Fi Ui is minus 14 upon sigma Fi is 140 multiplied by H. H is 10, right? So 0 to 0 cancel, this will be, so 35 minus 1, which is 34. So x bar is 34, mean is 34. So using step deviation also we have got the answer. In the next question, we have to find out median of the series. So check if number of terms are odd or even. So use the formula accordingly. So direct formula you can use. What are the properties of median? So here is it. These are the properties of median. So you can write it down. Next part is in which subject is the level of the knowledge of the students higher. So in X subject or in Y subject, we have to find out which subject has the knowledge of the student is higher. So just determine mean value of X and mean value of Y. Mean value of X means sum of all observation of X divided by 10 and sum of all observation of Y divided by 10. So if mean of X is greater than Y, so that is student's knowledge in X subject is higher, or if Y mean is greater than X, so student knowledge in subject Y is higher. So whichever mean is greater, so that knowledge will be higher, right? Same you have to do in this 7th question also. So just determine mean of history and politics together. So there are how many observations? 15 observations. So sum of all history marks divided by 15 and sum of all politics marks divided by 15. So whichever mean is greater, so that knowledge will be higher, right? Next, find the mean and median of the data given below. So there is a data, we have to determine mean and median. So let's just go for it. So these 3 questions are exactly somehow same, right? So let's do question number 8 only, 8 here, and rest you can do. Now if we have to determine mean and median together, so we have prepared columns in this way. So CF will be cumulative frequency that will be used for median. So 12 plus 18 30, 30 plus 27 57, 57 plus 20 77, 77 plus 7 84 and 10 94, 94 and 600. So total of it should be 100. And xi 0 plus 10 divided by 2 5, then 15, then 25, then 35, then 45, then 55, right? Now fi multiple of, so 12 multiplied 5 is 60, 18 multiplied by 15, so 18 multiplied 15 270, 27 multiplied by 5 is 130 and 13, 27 multiplied 2 is 54, 54 and 13 67, 670, then 700, then 17 multiplied by 45, 17 5 85, 5 and 8, 17 multiplied by 4 68, 68 and 8 9 70, 76 765, and this will be 55 65 30 0 and 3 65 30 33, right? So this will be 675, right? 675. So total of it will be 2800. So mean is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, right? So sigma fi xi is 2800 upon 100, which is 28. Similarly median, so median is equal to n by 2, median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f multiplied by h. So n by 2 means 100 by 2, 100 by 2 is 50. So 50 will lie in this section, right? 50 will be in this section. So this is median class. So L is equal to 20 and f is equal to 27, Cf is equal to 30, h is equal to 10, right? So let's put the value. So median is equal to L plus, so 20 plus n by 2 means 50 minus Cf, Cf is 30 upon f, f is 27 multiplied by h is 10, right? 20 plus 20 200 upon 27, right? So which is 20 plus 200 divided by 27, so that will be 7.4. So answer is 27.4. So median is 27.4 and mean is 28, right? So these are our answers of question number 8. So that let's sum up this class here only, so this video here only. In the next video we will be solving further questions, so just do these 2 parts in homework, right? In next video we have to do these 8 more questions, 7 more questions, right, starting from this 11th. Okay, this is second part, find the missing frequency. So that we'll do, second part we'll do here, right? So this much questions we have to do. This median you have to determine. Okay, we'll do it. So the remaining parts we'll do. So thank you for watching.